I have a board that's kicking my butt. I don't like giving up on boards, but this one is a pain. 820-00165. I'm going to call this one Bouncing Betty. So here's my board. I've got it set up for thermal right now so you can see what it's doing. There are no unusual hot spots. The heatsink is off the chip so you can see it flash. Here we go. I'm going to give it power. If I can get the MagSafe charger on. There we go, green light. It's better today. Okay, now watch the thermal imaging signature. Sorry, I'm holding the phone with one hand. I had to move a cord so you get to see my feet. Okay, so watch. Bam. That's it. And that corresponds. Keep in mind my gauge is off. It always reads 25 because I need to fix it. But, you know, every mechanic has a check engine light on. This is one of my check engine lights. But watch. Boom. Just like that. Boom. Just like that. And that corresponds to this. Boom. Just like that. So the CPU is not shorted. It's fine. That's just the CPU waking up. I have checked all these SMC, rails like CPU overheat, which I've never found bad. PCH or the battery, everything. I've also gone over here and I've checked my SMC reset signals when the 3 volts are alive. So you zoom in on that. I think that would be right there. Yep, right there. Check that. I've gone over here. Well, I hate this mouse. I use the Magic Trackpad. I absolutely love it. But in Windows, it sucks. So I'm going to switch to Mac on my bench PC. I've got a bunch of boards here. This is my toy box board for the forum. The stuff I'm currently working on. I need to probably go back and look at some of them. But over here, if we zoom in a little bit, we look at this chip right here. Look at that. All systems power good, right? That's fine. That flashes 3.3 volts. Up here, I gotta move over. Here we go. That is good. That flashes 1.5 volts like it's supposed to. So the rails, there's no alarms on the rails. And we got the dreaded Bouncing Betty going on here. So I've checked. There was physical damage to the backlight. Somebody had knocked that off and broke that capacitor, so I fixed that. But I could not find any evidence of water damage on this board. So whatever this is electrical. I have gone through and checked all the rails. They all come up during that 300, that brief moment in time when you see the voltage. The current draw on the meter. The rails all come up. None of the rails are shorted. I've checked the ring of fire. This is what I call the ring of fire. All these 3-volt switches. Here's one. Here's one. Here's well, that's not one, but these 3 right here. This one here. This one here. I call that the ring of fire because sometimes these can get damaged because there's too much of a load on one of them. Like one of the little caps or something goes. And I've checked all the 3v3 switches. Even checked the 0.5 volt switch. Man, there's no shorts anywhere. Nothing. I can't find any shorts in the machine. The only thing that I found that was kind of odd, and I don't know why. Let go, mouse. Let go. Let go. Let go. So I can move my mouse. Come on. Do it. Let go. Let go. Well, you're not going to let go, are you? You're not going to give my mouse back. There. Finally, oh, you little bitch, let go. Okay. Well, obviously I got some sort of malfunction in the software, so we're gonna close it. No, finally it let go. Okay, so the only thing I found that was kind of odd on this one, this Ring of Fire, wow, okay, there we go. Sorry, I'm having problems with the mouse. So, still having problems with the mouse. Anyway, this Ring of Fire, this one here, the 1V05 switch, its resistance to ground is normally around 60 ohms. On this board, it's 48. And most of these lines, if you look at these all go, man, I'm having serious mouse problems. Don't know what the hell's going on. Anyway, I'm done fighting the mouse. But I can't figure out what's going on with this board. I can't find anything unusual. Nothing. So, anybody has any ideas, I'll take them.